Unang ilam kasing Kongres usaling sangma ula kena persya ke sarkar jelah ha bedai bat kijing bonjong ki bap skul no shiting por ha ke jelah meklaya ha ke ba ula ong baknat pudi puti ke jelah ke dai bankit klik na ke benta ke jingwan ha ke kerdan bahatrai du ha ke ri barok away. Da ke ba ong ba kini kena pule kin sedan benta ha ki kam ki bap persya ke imlang salang usang ma ula kedau syaki program ki ba he jong ke sarkar kat ba kelale klet penban ya ki kam ki bakham kongsan usang mau lo ong ba jing jor jong ki bapep school siteng por kalong ka bapen kuslai jing mut sibon but day ban le no ya kane namar ki khna pule kilong kalawe jong ka jala da ka bakrisiu thia ya ka sarkar ula ong ba jing jor jong jing pep school siteng por kan nang penjor shu ya ki jing bom don kam don jam bat ki jing sne ki bakta ya ki mlang salang baro away.
When our children are being dropped out without educations, what will happen to the future? What will happen to the society? They will not just be incumbent only to the society, even to the government. It will be a burden. You see, these are the serious areas that government has to look at. This dropout is not just a fun or kind of a politics to politicize. The government has to think about the quality of educations so that the children will not drop out. The government has to make sure that the teachers are well trained and every schools are well informed about anything that is happening within our state.